Today we will be reviewing the removal and installation of the HP transfer belt for the models M351, 451, 375, 475, 476, 2025, and 2320. And that part number is RM1-4852. And this is typically done when on the control panel it reads replace transfer belt, or if you have some type of image defect, print defect coming from the printer. And the transfer belt just simply transfers the image from the toner cartridge to the paper. A couple cautionary notes on this is you want to avoid touching with your fingers or in hands the black transfer belt. So you want to use some type of glove protection. And so we're going to start this process by making sure the printer's off, unplugged, and we'll approach the machine from the front. We're going to remove the toner cartridge drawer and all, and you'll use a flathead screwdriver. And on the side here you'll have a guide that just insert the screwdriver and turn counterclockwise to remove the tray. Next, you will unscrew the two Phillips heads screws found on the hold down guide. And the guide won't come off completely, you'll just remove it because it's hardwired into the printer. So you'll just slightly remove it, push it off to the side a little bit, and you'll open the rear access door. Now this is a bit of a juggling act to lift the belt, and you'll want to be really careful handling it. Try and hold it from the guides on the side, the black plastic guides. And it removes straight out. And on the back here, you'll see where it hooks in. It goes along that metal guide, then hooks in back there. So on the installation process, it's the reverse. Let it sit in. Reinstall the connector. Make sure you align the hold down guide. There's two black pegs on the left and the right that orientate it. Couple of repair notes on this. This has a 2,000 page yield. That's an estimation. And there's no page count reset for this transfer belt. The printer does not track page counts for maintenance. And it's complete. And what you'll want to do a calibration, or possibly a couple calibrations in a row, if you had print quality image problems. And calibrations will help with aligning the color toners and the drums and the color plane. And each calibration takes about 4 minutes to perform, and I'll leave those instructions in the comments below. And that is it. So if you enjoy these videos, please like and subscribe, and we'll do more of them. Thank you. Have a good day.